Hello everybody, welcome to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I am Bill the Drunken Sailor, and today is an exciting week. Well, I hope, like you, I've got a barbecue planned, we've got some cocktails planned, we've got some visiting with some friends because we are celebrating. It's coming up real close. We're almost to the 250th birthday of our country. So, I've got a cocktail that I think is going to meet everything that we want on this one. We're going to call this one the Firecracker Cooler. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, notify. You want to find out about all our videos, but more importantly, come on up, have a seat at the bar. We are going to make you the Firecracker Cooler. Let's get pouring. This cocktail is really super simple to make, just a few ingredients, and we want to keep it simple. We're going to build it in the glass. I've got a Tom Collins glass, tall, slender. It's going to hold some nice bit of ice, and I'm going to start in there with some fresh berries. And we're going to use about 1/4 cup in there. Going to put those in the bottom of the glass. And now what I want to do is muddle those. We're going to break those down. We're going to get that berry juice in there. We've got that nice red color. And we're making a mess on our muddling stick. Now what I want to do is I want to put some freshly crushed ice in that glass. This is a cooler. It's going to be refreshing. We've got hot weather all across the country coming up. So let's fill that up with ice. And I'm making a mess as I go along here. Our next ingredient in there is some Pellegrino lemonade. So mineral water, lemon flavored. Let's pop the top on that, and we are going to put that almost all the way to the top. You want to pour nice and slow over that ice. You can see we've got our red layer, now we've got our white layer, and our last ingredient in there is going to be some gin. We haven't done a gin cocktail in a while, so we have got one of our favorite gins, Empress. And for that, we're going to put about 1.5 ounces in there. We're just going to pour that over the top. We're going to layer that right up to the top. We now have a red, white, and blue cocktail. And yes, happy 250th birthday. To garnish that, we're going to do two things. One, we're going to put in some berries on top on that. And we're going to put a lemon wedge on top of there. Now that's the cocktail as you see it. That's how we're going to present it. We're going to take one more step before we drink it though. We've got it. This is how you want to present it to your guests. But to drink this, what we're going to do is we're going to just take that lemon. We're going to express that on the top. Give it a little bit more lemon juice in there. And then I'm going to take my spoon. I'm just going to mix that up. We're going to get those flavors all combined together. And there we have today's cocktail, the Firecracker Cooler. Really super strong lemon flavor to it. You've got those nice herbal flavors that come along with that Empress gin. That's one of our favorite gins. This one, it's perfect for the holidays. Cheers, everybody. Happy 4th of July. We'll see you at the next cocktail.